Alright, I'm using my camera for my helmet mount, but that's why the quality's not going to look that good, but we're just pretty much using it for sound. Anyways, just so you can hear the sound, here it is. And then maybe valve